Nami kamutihan diri ipapangalot na mo ang taga-Amerika. Oh, there! Wow! Yeah! How many?
Oh, there's another one.
Oh, that's big. Okay, you get two. Whoa! Congratulations, Michaela. Okay, pull it up. Okay.
There is one.
Yeah. That's
Is that it?
that's big. Yeah. No more.
Okay.
Whoa, Sophie, nakakita na ka. Say it's easier for you to pull up the. Okay, there. Okay. Yay! Okay! Woohoo! Dito yun naman wala pangalutan ka para maka-experience sila. And now, yay! Nag-enjoy na sila. Dili na sila mabiya.
Bro, so many rocks.
But they're not going to stop kalotizing it at kamote. Michaela, did you enjoy?
Yeah.
Yeah. How about you?
Yeah.
So yeah, to complete the process, nangalot may kamote, naglungag. Actually si Pastor ang naglungag sa kamote. Alright, and kani mga bata ang nangalat sa kamote kanina and it's cooked. Kami na pa nagkaon. Alright. Yeah, thank you guys. Kamote.